Hi, I'm Cody with Engine Tech, here to talk to you about rod and main bearings. Rod bearings act as a buffer between the big end housing bore of the connecting rod and the rod journals of the crankshaft, while the main bearings act as a buffer between the main journals and the engine block and the main cap housing bore. Proper oil clearance between the bearings and the journals are crucial to having the right oil pressure in your engine. Engine Tech offers full engine sets of rod and main bearings so that you'll have all the components to get the job done right. A brand new crankshaft will have unworn journals, thus requiring standard bearing sizes. However, when it comes time to replace the bearings for a rebuild, the rod and main journals will typically have wear and tear that require additional grinding. Be sure to check your repair manual for oil clearance specifications. If the wear in the journals takes the oil clearance out of tolerance, the journals will have to be machined. This means that more material will be removed from the outside diameter of the journal, so the next oversized bearing with a corresponding smaller inside diameter should be used to maintain proper oil clearance. If you have oil pressure issues after a rebuild, bearing clearances should be the first thing you check. Most Engine Tech bearing sets come with everything needed for an engine, except for the occasional main bearing set. For main bearings, if the thrust washer is a separate piece, it is sold separately and it will be listed in the main bearing notes in the catalog. A standard size thrust washer is used regardless of oversize of the main bearing set. We do also offer some bearings with oversized outside diameters or oversized thrust width for engines that have wear in the housing bore. As with any of our parts, always check the notes in the catalog for any additional pertinent information. Thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for our next.